welcome back to another video. So today, as you all know that I have, many of you have been saying why is she using only 1 week, that you have only this week. So I decided that I want to try this wig stuff. So I have this in my house. I don't have the mannequin head, so I decided to use this mortar, this wood mortar. And I have this scarf a long time in my house. I have like two that I usually wear under my scarf. As you all know that I love to wear scarf a lot. Finish it up. So I don't know what the result will look like. So let's just see how it looks like. But I'm only using brush, comb, and also probably a needle and thread. I already have all these things in my house for my crafts, you understand? And look at what I finally produced. I produced, like, I make an invisible part here. Okay, I haven't straightened it. I'm going to straighten it now, but I just want to show you guys what I finally achieved. So last night I was able to finish it up last night. So let me try to tie this up, tie the cap up. My hair is rough anyways. So I was able to finish it up last night, but I was too tired to do an update for you guys. Do you understand? So this is my result. I knew that the front part would be the problem, but I shall do it, sha. I don't know if I did the right thing. It's not my profession, but yeah, look, I actually want something that I can easily do like this, like pack it backward, that will look like my natural hair. You understand? I'll see the back. So this is the back. I have to straighten it. I want to try to wet it and try to straighten it. The front side is really full, which I really like. So it looks like something like natural hair, and I like the invisible, even though my invisible is not that perfect. I like the invisible lines. So I shall try. So I want something that I'll be able to do like this. So you get something that I will be able to pull down. I'll be covering my eye a little bit, like something like this. That'll look like just my natural hair. Something like this. I'm making videos and something like my natural hair, something that I'll just be able to pack towards the back, hook it together like this. I can't do something. So this is the end result. You can see the invisible part. You want to notice anything, but let me just try to straighten it and see the result, so you guys understand. Let's see. I may successfully make a wig. So I'm not going to change anything anymore. People that are making wig are trying 3-4 weeks a day. Although some people are using machine, I use my hand. And this is my first time making a wig. In fact, I called my friend that makes wig. She was just laughing at me. I would have gone to her, but she was not around. So anyways, let me try. I'll just show you guys a very short video of the result of the picture. Okay? Do me